So if you're putting our camera in the 79 series like facelift, you probably wouldn't have a plug that would match either side of these two. Now if you had a factory camera, you'd probably have like this plug, that's going to be a trigger wire, and then you would have actually ended up also having this plug here, which if you come out here, that's your factory reverse camera, and I've decided that would go into our purple cam in wire. And that would be how the factory camera works. But on this model, there isn't any factory camera, so basically we're not going to be actually using these, and this plug doesn't exist, and we're not using these two here, and the plug doesn't exist. And also, sorry, there's one more here. You actually, if you had the factory camera, you either might have it on this one too, which again is just like a 4-pin one, and then this RCA would go into the purple one. So there could be a few different options there, but it'll either be like this one or like this one if you had the factory camera, and you just gotta make sure the right RCA goes into here. If you don't do that, when you go into reverse, nothing will happen, and then you should have a plug there. I'll match one like these two, and that is your trigger and power. Now for us, we don't have these, we're putting our camera in, so this cable has been run from the back, and we've got our RCA and our trigger. I'm going to chop this off and join these two together, which is they're going to give our camera our trigger. So chop this plug off and join these two together. Now for the camera, I'll tie up the cable later on, but you can start from the back, and I've used our cable puller to push it down there. Cable puller's in the kit, and it has sort of popped out under here, and I've actually tucked it behind the carpet here, and then come around here. You can take this trim panel off. There's a one screw there, this pulls off, and then you can see I've actually popped off this side trim here. Again, this just pulls up. I've run the cable in here along with the other one through here. You can tuck it up under here. You just tuck it under here with your hands. Again, here's our cable. I pop this one off again, through here, up, and then in the back here, you've actually got a grommet flat behind the seat about here, and that is up under here somewhere. If you can see that. I'll take it out there, and then just sort of follow the cables. We'll follow the other cables, so we'll zip tie to the other cables and run it to the back there.